What if full face rejuvenation could erase deep lines and restore youth? Take a look at this 60-year-old patient 1 year after my Plasma Lift Ultra, Renuvion Brow Lift, Renuvion Plasma Resurfacing, Fat Grafting, Deep Plane Facelift and Neck Lift. The results are remarkable. Lips, deep lines gone, shortened upper lip height produces a Scarless upper lip lift, youthful neck restored, a rejuvenated firm neck contour, enhanced by the deep plane neck lift. Eyes, open and refreshed with no skin removal, Scarless Blepharoplasty results. Skin, remarkably improved texture and quality from plasma resurfacing, naturally enhanced. This showcases advanced rejuvenation techniques. I'd welcome the opportunity to explore how we can address your needs.